Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hajar and today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite technique for applying winged eyeliner and hooded eyes. If you have hooded eyes like me, where your mobile lid is covered with excess skin sitting on top, then this technique will help you open your eyes further without your wing looking crooked, which is the #1 issue with eyeliner on hooded eyes. So let's get started. Hello, I'm Haja. Welcome to my channel. If you're into beauty, makeup, and lifestyle topics, make sure to follow me on my journey by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. First, I'm going to apply Sephora's Best Skin Ever Concealer in the shade number 20 all over my lid using the wand and then dab it with a beauty blender. This helps to create an even base for the eyeliner, making it easier to apply and last longer. Next, I'm going to set my concealer with Laura Mercier's Translucent Setting Powder. Setting the lid with powder helps to prevent creasing and ensures the eyeliner stays in place throughout the day. Now I want to add some warmth to my lids, so I'm going to apply the shade Smarty Pants from the Tarte Cosmetics Tarte Lid in Bloom palette with a blending brush all over my mobile lid. To brighten up the inner corner, I'll use the shade Funny Girl from the same palette around my tear duct with an applicator brush. This will make the look overall fresh. I'll also apply a little on my brow bone to lift my eyes further. Then I'll switch back to the shade Smarty Pants and apply it on 1/3 of my lower lash line with a small blending brush. I prefer brown liquid eyeliner over black because it gives a softer, more natural look that complements my features. To start, look straight and relaxed into a mirror without raising your brows. This way you can determine where to place your wing without it looking crooked when your eyes are open. First, line your upper lash line following the natural shape, gradually making it thicker as you approach the outer corner. To create the wing, we'll use the dots method. Apply the first dot on open eyes on top of the hood on the outer half of the eye, right below the brows. This dot determines the length, height, and end of the wing. Next, apply a dot on the outer edge of the eye and a third dot on top of the basic eyeliner on the upper lash line. Connect these 3 dots to create the wing. This guide is easy to follow and perfect for beginners. Once the wing is connected, slightly close your eye and observe the gap that disconnects the basic line from the wing. Apply a stroke to connect the eyeliner and complete the winged eyeliner look. Then fill in the wing. The winged eyeliner is done, but I'm not a fan of the edgy look because I think it doesn't harmonize well with my face. So here's what I always love to do to achieve a more harmonious effect. I apply a brown shade or a shade that is suitable to the color of your eyeliner. My shade is called Leader from the Tarte Lid palette in Bloom, with a small petite blending brush on top of the winged eyeliner and smudge it. To create a nice contrast and transition between the brown shades, I apply a lighter shade called Rebel on top and smudge further. This time I switch to a smudger brush and smudge in upward motions. Next, I apply mascara on my lashes to add volume and length, which enhances the overall eye look and helps the eyeliner stand out even more. Then I line my lower waterline with a bright nude creamy pencil by Essence Cosmetics to open up my eyes further and give a more awake appearance. Now I'm going to apply a pair of trimmed falsies by Kiss called My Lash But Better in the design Blessed. Once they are applied, I press them with a lash curler to make natural and false lashes blend well into each other. Now I notice a gap on the upper waterline, so I fill in the upper waterline with a black kohl liner to close gaps and create a seamless look. And that's it, we're done with this winged eyeliner tutorial for hooded eyes. I hope you've enjoyed it and found it helpful. Give it a try and you'll see how this technique can transform your eye makeup game, making your eyes look more open and even. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions or if you'd like to share your experience trying this technique. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.